Hey guys, I was at Target and I was there and they had 5 boxes, so I got 2. I'm going to show one in this one in the next. I picked a box and I had my son pick another box. So I don't know which one is which, but hopefully out of the 2 we'll get something good. I was talking to Bart from 49ers Corner. He picked up some retail and he did really well on his. I've never gotten an auto out of it yet. He has. I think he actually got 2 autos. But here we go. Oh, we got a peek right there of Eric Berry. These came from Target, so I think Target gets the purple ones. What do you get? 367. Of course, I got the UPC code. All right. See how we do. D'Anthony Thomas. Bishop Sankey Mini. Calvin Johnson. And the Julio Jones. CJ whatever. I'm going to try. Oh, lovely. Michael Sams. Got a refractor of a giant, but the wrong one. Andre Williams, running back. And Andy Dalton. Whoops, I'm probably cutting them off. Wasn't checking the camera. There we go. All right, David Fales. Bears rookie. John Buchanan rookie. Save the X for Patrick Willis. And the X-Fractor is Marion Grice. Tell you what, those are so shiny. Saunders rookie. Tall boy of Jeremy Hill. Moore. And Reggie Wayne. Jeff Mathis. Oh, Jamarius Thomas, 1,000-yard club. I don't know if I've gotten one of those before. Maybe I have. Just can't remember. Martavius Bryant refractor. And Randall Cobb, of course, a Packer. But I got the Bears first. And I hope I said 49ers Corner. I hope I can say Packers Corner. I do that with Bart sometimes. Shout out to Troy. Make a video. Kyle Vandernoy, rookie. Mike Evans, rookie. X-Fractor of Pierre Dijon. And Wes Welker. Last pack. Paul Richardson, rookie. Fantasy Focus. Matt Forte. Finally, a Fantasy Focus I actually care about. Cool. That makes it not so bad then. First one of those. Zach Ertz. And Kendall Wright. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk at you later. Oh, I forgot to open this pack, so it's still sealed. Adding 2 videos together to get to this one. I got so messed up by the Fantasy Focus for the Forte. It's like, oh, that's it. Okay, here's the purples. Eric Berry. Le'Veon Bell, Justin Tuck, and Alfred Morris. Well, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk at you later.